Hey boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to take this down. I gotta fix the frame. I like riding this bike. This is one of my favorite bikes. And I was wondering if you'd like to see what the inside of the motor looks like, because I might refresh it a little bit. So, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do it really quickly. And then we'll just kind of dive into the motor and kind of see what it looks like, because the pipe, something has to be done with this. There's a little lip right here that catches oil and drains it down there. I'll make a little turnout on that. Not only that, it sprays oil everywhere, which is a two-stroke. It's going to do that. So let's get to it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. And I was planning on, I had a different video done for this, but I figured I needed to do a little better job than what I did before. People have asked, why did I let it break completely off before I repaired it? Because, if we can look down here, anytime you weld onto aluminum, and this is kind of tough because it's thin, you're going to have buildup in there. Now, what Mike Miller said about putting another piece of aluminum down in through there and then welding everything together to line everything up perfectly, that's exactly what I'm going to do. But I wouldn't be able to get it in there with stuff like that in it. And that's just over penetration. Really never ever been a problem, but this time it would be trying to get that down in there. So that's the reason I let it break off. Very good suggestion he had. We tore the engine down. There was some things I wanted to do, but after I got it running, it ran so good I hated to even mess with it. And you can kind of see the patterns right here. And this right here, I want to get this up out of there. And I want to pull the whole motor down. I wasn't going to do it, but I am anyhow, because guess what? We need to rebush that, or put a bushing in it. This one doesn't have a bushing in it. Bush that up, change clutch pads, change bearings all the way around to PGNs, and just check it out, because I really hate to put it back together. I like riding that bike, and I'm going to spend some time fixing it. The chain, the reason in the video you see me have such a hard time with the chain was the chain's completely wore out. The actual link was wore into the master link. The clip was worn into the link. I was having a fit getting it off. So that's it in a nutshell. I would like to shout out to a lot of the Facebook channels that I follow. Hope Express is a great one, and there's a lot of good builds on there. There's a lot of good engagement with people, and it's just really, really good. Johnny's Motorized Bike, another good one. Little Evil, another good one. I think it's 207. Bike Nation, Motorized Bike Club. All of these are, and there are too many to actually mention, but they're all really good Facebook pages for Motorized Bike for information that you can go to. Another thing is, and I'm going to say that anytime you mess around with something greasy like this, oil, gas, stuff like that, wear gloves, please, because this stuff goes into your skin. And I know I'm not one to preach safety. I'm not I mean, I go riding with shorts and flip-flops on, but to me it's enjoyable. And I have a helmet right over there, I have gloves, I have all the safety stuff. Sometimes you get caught up on the moment, just like with that CDH exhaust. I had no idea I was going to do that. That was a brand new carburetor I put on there. Never touched it, never put a jet on it. I had to jet this one 5 times to get it where it ran. Never ran a pipe, never run a motor. I was out there, and when that thing did what it did, you get caught up in the moment, you don't back off that throttle until it's over. And I had shorts and flip-flops on like a complete idiot. I don't want to come across like some self-proclaimed expert that gives everybody bad information. I'm just somebody that's not an expert that gives you bad information. And I do have a helmet. I have a helmet right there. I do wear it. I do the long pants, stuff like that. But when a short pop to the store back, or just cruising around, I like to go comfortable. Video on that pipe, dimensions and what have you. I just haven't done it yet. I've been really busy. Y'all have a good night.